To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hey, Seth and JJ. Yay! Thank you!
Wait a minute, anak. Don't blow yet. Don't.
Oh,
Happy birthday, JJ! Happy birthday, Seth! What happened to our lighters?
Oh, you win.
The lighters won't light.
No, don't.
oh, fireworks.
Yet.
Like that. Okay.
Don't blow yet.
By the way, may I ask, what's the purpose of blowing the candles? We don't know. We don't know.
Ouch.
Well, actually, celebrating birthdays means God thank you for the completed years, and we are putting off the light of the past years. Yes, please sit down. Please sit down. I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Why?
Wait, Gigi, wait.
No, don't blow yet.
Don't blow. Ouch. Don't blow yet.
Putting off the light of the previous years because we want to shine for the next 365 days.
Okay.
Oh, why did you put so much light in my cake? Wow, okay, listen contest. You blow your
JJ, blow
candles.
first. Blow.
Blow first. JJ.
Blow first, DJ. Oh,
Come on, blow. Oh, kuya first. Ade, papa.
Papa, papa.
Finish.
Oh, happy!
Oh, no.
Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
Did siya already blew?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, you
Oh,
can.
mommy will blow.
It's mommy's birthday.
Yes. You want
It cannot.
chocolate? Yes. Oh, JJ will blow. Okay, let's begin.